If you're trying to log into Discord and the verification code is not showing up, don't worry. This is usually a simple issue you can fix in a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Discord verification code not received for both phone and email, step by step. This works whether you're waiting on an SMS code or an email code, and I'll also share a few important tips to help you avoid making the problem worse. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Now, let's get into it. First, if you're waiting for a phone or SMS verification code, the very first thing you should do is turn off your VPN or proxy. Sometimes Discord will block or delay verification messages if your connection looks unusual. So disconnect your VPN completely, and if you're using a proxy, turn that off too. Then go back to the Discord login page and request the verification code again. After that, check your phone and give it a few minutes. In many cases, the code arrives once your connection is back to normal. The next thing to keep in mind is not to spam the send code button. If you keep requesting the code over and over again, Discord may slow down or temporarily limit the messages. So click send code only once, then wait. If the code still doesn't arrive, give it at least 5 minutes before trying again. This is important because repeated requests can actually make the delay worse instead of fixing it. Now, if you're trying to get an email verification code instead of a text message, the first place you should check is your spam or junk folder. Open your email app, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo, and look inside the spam or junk folder. Discord verification emails sometimes get filtered there automatically, even if your inbox is normally working fine. If you use Gmail, also check the Promotions tab. Sometimes Discord emails get sorted into promotions instead of the main inbox, so open Gmail and tap the Promotions tab to see if the verification email is sitting there. If you still don't see it, use the search bar in your email account and search for support@discord.com. That's the sender Discord commonly uses, and searching that address can help you find the email faster. Be sure to check all folders, not just the inbox, because the message may be archived or routed somewhere unexpected. If you find the email, open it right away and use the verification link or code as instructed. If it still isn't there, wait a few minutes and then try requesting a new code again, but only after checking the folders I mentioned first. Also, make sure the email address on your Discord account is spelled correctly and that you still have access to that inbox. If the email is wrong or inaccessible, you won't receive the code no matter how many times you try. So, to quickly recap, for SMS codes, turn off your VPN or proxy, then request the code again and avoid spamming requests. For email codes, check spam, junk, promotions, and search for support@discord.com in your inbox. These steps solve the issue for most people very quickly. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Discord fixes and account recovery guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.